Hello and welcome. I'm Jonathan.
And I'm Amy.
And this is J&A
Travel Day. Hello, J&A Travel Day. We are back. We are on Serenade of the Seas, staying in room 1582, which is a junior suite aboard. So we just wanted to give y'all a tour so you can know what to expect. So first up with the junior suite is you have a really good sized closet, tons of hangers, shelving. It's where your life jackets will be hidden. It's a huge space. So then you have your big desk area with your chair, tons of drawer storage. In this cabinet, you're gonna find your safe. Coming over here, you also have, I like to hide all my skincare in these. Tons of cabinet space. Television, more storage. Down here is where your cooler is going to be. It is way back there, so get ready to bend over if you do use it.
You have my favorite, the Lavazza coffee machine. It does both coffee and espresso. They got their pods. They've got some hot tea that you could have. Comes with coffee, with sugar and creamer.
And it is a conjoining room. So if you do have some family going with you, you could also get that other room, which is super handy. You have a lovely little seating area. And that's just the great part with these junior suites is they are huge. And often you can book them for not much more than a balcony, and they're double points. So definitely price out a suite guarantee and see if not much more than a balcony, you could get this for double points. So then outside, a huge balcony space. And you can look at the lovely port of Cologne, Panama.
It's a predominantly shipping port, not a whole lot around. There's a pretty large shopping area just outside, but that's about it.
Yeah.
The other nice thing, as we go back into the room, and there I am again, hello, this area can be closed off via this curtain right over here. So if you do have somebody that is sleeping on this side of the room and you want to have some privacy, you can go ahead, pull that across, and it does go about half to 3/4 of the way across, just enough so you don't have to look at each other when you're sleeping. When
someone gets on my nerves,
I guess
send
I'll be
them to
on
the
couch. The one thing I really do like about this room that we have not seen on past ships is they have put in a 220 volt with 2 USB ports. So if you are traveling and you have 220, you have 2 plugins right next to the bed. If you're from the United States, you have 2 USB ports you could utilize since your plugs won't work there. You got some storage on the side. You have your Royal King bed, of course, which is really just 2 twins, it feels like, pushed together. And then you have your phone over here. One of the best parts about the junior suite is the bathroom.
Bathroom is glorious. It's a huge amount of space. You have a tub, which is amazing. I will say, if you are a tall man or a tall lady, you might have issues because the shower head is low. But it really is just a huge space.
Yep, and then you've got your sink. The other thing, you've heard us on other room tours, even the newer ships, they have covered storage. So your stuff doesn't have to be exposed to the regular bathroom. You could put it behind a glass door, and they have one on both sides here.
So we got a bonus room tour. This is 1538, still on Serenade of the Seas. But we just wanted to show y'all this because earlier room, junior suite, this is kind of the mirror image, but there is something weird. Your curtain spanning up the end of the bed is catty corner to the couch that will unfold as the bed. So if you don't want visibility between the two, not the room to be shared, unfortunately.
Everything else is the same exact thing on this one.
So quick note on noise, because I know that is important to a lot of people. The junior suite 1582 we found to be the noisiest. It is located under the Windjammer. So at night when they're cleaning, lots of noise. 1538, you might be able to hear a little bit. It is located under the pool / solarium. So also noisy, especially at night when they're pulling those deck chairs. So something to note, I've been able to sleep through it. I did wake up this morning about 6 a.m. when stuff started moving. So if you are a light sleeper, it is something to think about. However, most of the suites are located in this area. So at least on Serenade, I don't know that you're going to find a less noisy suite.
That is our room tour that we have here on board the Serenade of the Seas. We do always love that our rooms have doorbells. So we'll leave you with this.
Hey!
Not the greatest of doorbells, but we hope you enjoyed watching, everybody, and we'll catch you on the next one. Bye, everybody.